Hello, my name is Monty Otts. I'm from Northeast Texas, Cherokee County Airport's where I keep this aircraft. It's a 2009 Jabiru J230. It has a Jabiru 6-cylinder 120 horsepower engine in it, and this aircraft fits into the light sport category. It has a legitimate 120 knot cruise, and it's an excellent cross-country aircraft. I've owned this aircraft for 2 years, maybe 2.5, and have put about 200 hours on it. I use it for cross-country primarily, even though I do fly around the area a lot. But coming from Texas, I fly to Sun and Fun in Lakeland, Florida every year, which is about 650 nautical miles. Flying in Texas, we have hot summers. This aircraft performs well in the heat. You know, it's not uncommon to fly in 100 degrees. And the glass panel inside shows all of your cylinder head temperatures and exhaust gas temperatures, and it's easy to monitor and keep those under control. I enjoy using this to fly distances, but I do fly in the neighborhood a lot. But my wife and I fly to Destin from time to time from Texas. The large capacity baggage area allows us to take all of our luggage and our dog that flies with us frequently. Bella, our 35-pound Australian Shepherd Brittany Spaniel mix, loves to fly with us, and she's got all the room that she needs and to be comfortable, as well as myself and my wife. And this airplane meets our needs very well, and it's an economical, speedy aircraft that performs well even in windy conditions like we're having out here now. The Jabiru J230 I chose because it really fits me identically. I tend to load as much cargo as I can when I camp at Sun and Fun and other places. This aircraft can be factory built as a 2 or a 4-seater. So as a 2-seater, as mine is, I have a tremendous amount of baggage capacity since there's no back seat in there. And under light sport, I can load it up to 1,320 pounds and carry about 250 pounds of baggage along with myself. Or as a 4-seater, this aircraft gross weight is about 1,500 pounds, which gives you about another 250 pounds capacity. So the aircraft is a little overbuilt for light sport, and that's one of the things I really like about it, because it will handle more than it's required to. Okay, the J230 with the 3300 Jabiru engine, 120 horsepower. At 9,000 feet coming here, I was burning about 5.2 gallons an hour at 2,800 RPM. You can run it up to 3,000 RPM and get more speed out of it. But at 2,850, I've got about a 5.5 hour range, and it performs great at high altitudes or lower altitudes. It's a cross-country aircraft primarily. It takes off in a good distance and climbs between 9 and 1,100 feet per minute with one person, and will climb at 800 feet per minute with 2 people in it. The Jabiru has performed great for me, and I have it for sale now. I've had it for 2 years, and I just want to move up to a newer aircraft. There's nothing wrong with this aircraft. It's performing very well right now. I'm just working my way up the ladder. I can't afford to buy exactly what I would like to. So it's for sale for $76,500. And for that you get an aircraft that has a 2,000 hour TBO, and this engine has 565 hours on it. Performs perfectly. It has all glass cockpit, It has a GRT Sport HS with coupled to an EIS and an autopilot with altitude hold, and it's a pleasure to fly. And if you'd like this aircraft, you could reach me at area code 512-626-7797. Feel free to give me a call and we'll talk about it.